Good morning. It is day 2. We got upgraded last night because I complained about the bedroom, but I already said that. This is the better light. Michael, it's currently almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I tend to wake up hours and hours before he usually does. So I'm getting myself ready for the day. We have some breakfast downstairs. I came to look at my morning view. The sun is coming up over the clouds. All I gotta say is I am pumped for today. We are headed to a very cool place and you'll see it soon. Since our little Winky is sleeping, I'm gonna walk downstairs, check out this free breakfast. We came and stayed at a hotel instead of trying to sleep in a van the whole time. It's because they have breakfast at these hotels. Just one other thing we don't have to pay for, indirectly. Let's see what it is. Take notes, America. That's your free breakfast. The waffles, they have this thing right here. You can pull this apart and fold it up and eat it just like a taco. Taco Bell. Almost 2 hours in. If you can see, we just droned up all the way up here to this waterfall. We just met a good fella that lives in the house right here. We're gonna name him Curtis because that's what we feel like it. We are about 20 minutes away from the next national park. We'll see you there. My boy Winger's in here trying to get his song on.
They like paved road the entire way to get here, except for the last like 20 feet.
We're them off-road boys. We're going to go to see the seals and seal.
I'm gonna go see a great white shark.
We're gonna go see Heidi Klum.
We're going to the beach.
What is up, kids? Here we go. We are back. I got my boy Winky over here. We're having a little photo shoot in the mountains. We are doing some stuff.
Waited the long lines to see the...
We waited all the longest of lines to see the biggest hot spring in all of Europe.
Guys are enough.
Here's who I had to go wait my line behind.
He almost went off the parking lot.
He thought I was gonna come drive up here. He was all scared. Oh my gosh. 100 degrees.
Smells like egg.
100 degrees with Eggos. Oh, fog up my lens. Ugh. Fog up my lens full of doo-doo air. Go ahead, get in. Bloop. What's up, kids? We are at one of the largest waterfalls in all. Oh, you're crack. Did you go tanning?
No.
I think that's recording. This is one of the largest
I go tanning
waterfalls
in Africa.
by volume.
Hi, this is Winger. I took over filming duties because I'm the best vlogger. So here is what we're doing. It's hard to see me. Oh, there you go. And so behind me you can see all the Jason waterfalls from TLC. Here's a European guy. So don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you are used to, okay?
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are these days are these days
This is Mike Wing coming at you, boy. Hey, I'm calling out 50 Tyson. I'm here straight up in Iceland. I'm more icy than you've ever been. 50 Tyson, here we go, checking us out at the waterfalls. You see that? That's like a big old river. You see that? You got them rapids. That's a class 4. That's a class 5. And the reason that it's all aqua blue is because of the temperature. Bet you didn't know that. Learn something, read a book. Right? That's what I said. You gotta read a book. Knowledge is power, information is key. Wisdom is truth.
Trail as Mr. Wing gets away walking up the hill. Woo! Oh yeah, glacier, woo! This little species over here on the rock, thinking of all of his thoughts and maybe a new rap. Playing with his calculator phone. Watch.
Thousands of dollars.
You got thousands of dollars. We're gonna go see what the local meal is around here.
Oh, we have no prepared.
Okay, thank you.
He prepared us the VIP.
Eat or do you want to just drink?
The VIP level, we got all this stuff over here. This is our second hotel. We are in the beautiful Foss Hotel of Reka. I don't know what this place is called, but Winger's checking out the food menu, so we might eat here or might go on an adventure. You should try to read those things though.
In Iceland, I can't even say it. Can you teach me?
This is where me and my date will sit.
Right in the middle.
My date for the evening.
With the regular tomatoes and some peppers.
Perfect.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Homemade bread schnitzel.
Homemade bread for homemade meat.
We decided we would get dinner tonight at the hotel because we don't know where anything else is.
No,
So,
because there isn't anything.
There isn't anything else for like 100 miles. So we're just gonna sit here and we're gonna eat. We got both get 2 pizzas, and yeah.
I forgot to tell you that usually the pizza comes with the Parma ham on top.
Looks pretty good for her.
This is what we do in the middle of nowhere.
Go to Chuck E. Cheese. Mikey wanted to go to sleep, so I wanted to explore. Oh, we came to a rock with a face on it. I don't know what this is. It looks like a little hut. Sketchy rock house, I am scared. Wooden roof. I just found this sketchy path, and I'm going to walk in it. See where it takes me. Sunset path. Woo! I made it up the baby mountain. All right, well, it's like 8 o'clock at night. We already had dinner. It's a little bit too early to go to sleep. Where we are at, it is very clear right now. If we are going to see the Northern Lights, it will probably be today. So, one, our hotel will actually come and wake us up if it's happening above. We have to run outside real quick before they are gone. Or maybe we'll just walk back up the sketchy road later if Mr. Wingy isn't scared. And we've got all of this, I think, to potentially see something. So I think it's in our favor because there's not that many lights around here, but it is a wee bit cloudy. So we will see. I don't really care about seeing them. It'd be cool, but I don't know if I'll be hunting them. But you will see them later if they happen. I have no clue how to film that. So this is getting boring. Bye. I've been springing. I've been springing. I wonder how hot that is. I ain't touching it though. He likes to whip. He likes to sleep when I... Oh, it's better on video. That's huge. He looks so great through my camera though.